What's up, my friends? It's B-Rax back on Brax Talks. I think it's Wednesday. I don't know. It seems weird. It seems like a different day today. But you know what? I've been on a. Hold on, let me show y'all something. I've been on this binge lately. Like, I went and bought these the other day, and I've been on this. Dude, I've never been really a COD guy, but it is World War II. I love history and World War II. But this game, dude, I don't know. Like Team Deathmatch, it's just been fun. Like a lot more fun than Madden. And I got this too. Dude, this game is ridiculous. It's fun. It's like the game of life. Like this game, though, oh my, it's fun. COD, campaign, multiplayer. But alright, man, this is what y'all waiting for. I couldn't decide what I wanted to eat, so I just drive around Plainview again 30 minutes. You know, it takes a while because it's like, I can't figure out what I want to eat, you know? And so I'm just like, but, okay, I was going to get this the other day. Yeah, got some taquitos. Get the heck out of here. Don't want you. Okay, I got some taquitos. They gave me a salad. And some rice. Maybe I should just eat the salad. I don't even want the salad, man. I don't want that. I went and got some. Yuck! I know they gave me. I should have some beans. But anyways, man, I went and got some chicken taquitos. These are like exactly like the rolled chicken tacos at Taco Bell, but they're 10 times. They're like, excuse me. The rolled chicken tacos at Jalisco here are a million times better than Taco Bell. Out of this world times better. I got some rice, some sour cream, salad. Ugh. Next time I'm not asking for salad, man. Oh, yeah. Man, these are good. That chicken was real chicken. Look at it. These are good as heck. Man, when I ate these at Taco Bell the other day, they were so gross. Well, they weren't so gross, but they weren't great. Oh, crap. Need some of this rice. You know, I'm not the biggest fan of Mexican rice, but, you know, their rice is actually pretty good. It doesn't have all that, like, Mexican spices and, like, cumin and stuff that I don't like. But why would you give me salad and not give me beans? I just wonder that. Next time, I don't care if it costs extra. I'm gonna get beans with this instead of salad. I don't want salad. I like salad, but I don't want it. Look at this tomato over here just chilling. One is the loneliest tomato in all you can be. Does anybody say tomatoes, man, anymore? Tomatoes! I can't stand that crap, bro. Guacamole. Ew. If I had ranch, I might eat that salad, but, you know. This rice is good. More of this taquito. Ooh, look at that. Sorry, cut off my head. Getting a good picture. You know what? I can actually taste the chicken in those. Like when you get them from Taco Bell, I can't taste the chicken. The chicken is like smushed, all in like it's like chicken you can't taste. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah. Well, of course they're gonna be better than Taco Bell. Taco Bell's fake Mexican food. It's not real. It's a good idea Taco Bell came out with, but it's not good. Come on, rice. Yeah, I can't get this, man. I need a spoon or something. Hey, let them come to the rescue. Oh. Come on, man. Get on my fork. Come on, rice. You're spilling everywhere. Look at the chicken, man. Real, not fake. Oh. And these corn tortillas are nice. They're just the right amount of crispiness, but they're not like over crispy, you know? And you just add the sour cream, and it just brings a level of coolness to the chicken. Chicken word I can use for myself. The chicken licking. They got kind of some of them got kind of like soft though, cause this dang lettuce is wet. Dang you lettuce! So next time, instead of salad, I said I'll get the beans. It'll be a lot better. Well, you are so banging. Oh man, flautas. That's what these are called, not taquitos. They're flautas. Oh, and tomato. Still chilling over here. Those were good. Well, alright. Go eat some taquitos, my friend. Not taquitos, flautas. Go eat some chicken flautas and love them. Alright. See you later. Subscribe to my channel, B-Rax Talks. Comment if you like flautas.